was not born from silence, but from a crash of metal. When the world collapses, I stand a stone against the wave. Don't glorify the glitter, I live without the shine. Truth my only shield, and voice my weapon, friend of mine. I'm unbreakable, even if the flames surround me. I stand in shattered ruins, but my soul is walking free. There's an engine in my chest, louder than your silence. When justice calls, I don't raise fists.